So in the last module, we gave a high-level definition of Internet of Things, give you an idea of what an Internet of Things device is and what impact it has on society. Now we'll go into a little bit more technical details about how they're implemented, the design and implementation of these Internet of Things devices. Now, basically, Internet of Things devices are typically embedded in other objects. So say you have a car, and you put some Internet of Things technology inside that car, and now it is an Internet of Things device. It is computational, network, and so on. It's embedded within another device, something. So we're going to talk a little bit about how you embed something, embed that type of functionality inside a regular device. So part of the idea is that you want to be able to give enhanced functionality to a device, to a regular device, but not add complexity to the device. Right? So in that way, so for instance, take the camera that we're filming with right in front of me. This camera, you could have gotten a camera 40 years ago that can, you can use, take a picture with, snap a button, take a picture. A new camera, an Internet of Things camera, is networked. It's got computers inside, computational technology. The same interface. You snap the button and it takes the picture, but it does a lot more. It has a lot more enhanced features. Maybe it does jitter control or something like that. So it's embedded within the device, but it's well hidden. It's embedded behind a nice, what we'll call a natural interface. So the user shouldn't have to bend to conform to the device. Right? Instead, the device should conform to what the user wants, and it should have an interface that makes it easy for the user to deal with. So in order to do that, these systems, they have to be embedded within regular devices, and they have to interact with the physical world through the use of sensors that read information about the physical world. Maybe somebody pressed a button, a light turned on, something like that. Also a set of actuators that cause something to happen in the physical world, that basically change the state of the physical world. So maybe motors or lights or something. So we'll talk about how this physical interaction works and how it's controlled inside one of these Internet of Things devices.